Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me this heavy duty power strip for free so I could check it out and let you know what I think about it. First thing I want to point out to you is that it does come with a really long 6 foot cord. I mounted this thing behind my entertainment center so I can, easily manage all of my electronics and my TV and games and those types of things. I love that it has a really nice surge protector on it, so I feel really good having that. And I'll show you it does come with this hardware pack, so you get a few screws in there, some washers for the mounting holes, and then some wall anchors. You can see obviously I didn't use the screw kit that it came with. I have really thick plaster walls, so I just grabbed a couple of self-tapping screws and ran them in. So I didn't worry about using the anchors or anything. If you're mounting it into drywall, I would definitely recommend using the anchors. But anyway, so this thing is really nice. It has a really nice heavy duty metal housing. The plugs are really tight. They're stiff. So, I mean, if you used any of somebody like your house outlet, sometimes after you use them for a while, they might get loose. These are really secure. So that feels nice. Um, you can see super easy to mount into the walls, right? So you have three options in these tabs on each side for your screws so it holds on nice and tight, and you can see again really secure even though I didn't use the anchors myself. And then you have 8 different outlets in this power strip, and then all the way down at the end here you can see there's a USB at the bottom, and then a USB port at the top, and then USB-C in the middle. So my entertainment center here has some LED lights that I have ran into the bottom USB, and then in the middle is a phone charger, and then some point I'll put something else in the other one. But anyway, so it is a really nice power strip, and I'm super happy to have it. It's a really good product that I would recommend.